Hold the left button to turn on the infrared feature. Hold the right button to power on. The light tells you the mode. Red and blue flashing means 2.4 GHz mode. Blue flashing means Bluetooth. Here's your standard mouse click function. At the back, there's a 2.4 GHz receiver that works with more devices. You get a regular USB-C port and a USB port. It has a battery display. Plug the USB-C port on the side to charge. Put on the wrist strap, it stays secure, and one-hand control is easy. It weighs 27.6 grams, 3.94 inches long, 1.17 inches wide at the front, and 1.05 inches wide at the back. When only the blue light flashes, it's in Bluetooth mode. Swipe across the screen in the middle to scroll on your phone. Remote phone control couldn't be easier. Plug the receiver into a tablet, and you can control it right away. Press both left and right buttons together to switch modes. Plug the receiver into a computer, switch the signal mode, and you're ready to control it. Mode switching has almost no delay, you won't notice it. Let's switch again, see? It's super fast. The range is pretty good. I tested up to 16 feet and it still worked. After turning it off, it reconnects quickly. It's also great for light office work. Connect it to a projector, TV, or other devices easily. You can even control your phone's camera to take pictures. The D16 Pro offers even more ways to use it, from conference room presentations to phone control and light office work. And there's still more waiting for you to explore. Thanks for watching, and see you next time!